Police questioning is a part of criminal investigation, but even during questioning, citizens have important legal rights. Understanding these rights helps prevent misuse of authority and protects individual freedom. First, you have the right to know why you are being questioned. Police must inform you of the reason for your detention or inquiry. If you are formally arrested, they must clearly state the grounds of arrest. Second, you have the right to remain silent. Under Indian law, no person can be compelled to be a witness against themselves. This protection comes from Article 23 of the Constitution of India. You are not required to confess or answer questions that may incriminate you. However, you should remain respectful and cooperative. Third, you have the right to consult a lawyer. If you are arrested, you have the right to meet and consult an advocate of your choice. Although the lawyer may not be present during every moment of questioning, you are entitled to legal advice. Fourth, if you are arrested, you must be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours. Police cannot detain you indefinitely without judicial oversight. Fifth, women have additional protections. Women should not be called to the police station for questioning at night except under special circumstances. In most cases, questioning of women should take place at their residence and in the presence of female officers. Police are not allowed to use force, threats, or torture during questioning. Any statement obtained through coercion is legally questionable. If your rights are violated, you can approach the court, file a complaint, or seek legal remedy. It is important to stay calm during questioning. Ask for identification, ask for the reason, ask for legal assistance if needed. The law aims to balance investigation needs with protection of personal liberty. Knowing your rights during police questioning helps you protect yourself while respecting legal procedure. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.